There's a little kid! There's a little kid! Ah!
Uncle,
The gap in the door.
I played the third one and like gave up halfway.
Was it scary though?
Yeah, it was kind of.
Oh, dude, I'm actually scared now. Oh, I can feel butterflies in my stomach. Give me a sec. That door wasn't open. That door wasn't open. Ladies first. A bit fishy. I don't think they could hear me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is actually scary. Why can't I hear them?
Because you're crying, bro.
What?
Don't worry, guys. I'm buying a flashlight.
Again.
This flashlight isn't the best flashlight, but what is that supposed to be? So, ladies first. Oh. Okay, I don't know what happened to him. Let's keep going.
Alright. Hold on.
Dude, oh my god. You're not as scared because you're playing on. I'm pretty sure you're playing on mobile, right?
What is that? What the fuck is that?
The father
You're playing on mobile, right?
The garden hose they had in the garage.
Yep.
Dude, I'm playing on VR. This is way scarier. What the hell? Oh, I'm not going through that. Don't even think I'm going through that.
Hello?
What the hell?
Hey, where you guys at?
What are those supposed to be? Eyeballs?
Just go
Y'all
straight.
hold up
You
for
can't use
me?
your
Like,
name.
jeez. I'm all the way back here. You can't really move that quickly.
Damn.
Oh my god, Ellie.
Can't see shit.
Oh, that's scary. Wait, Ellie, turn around. Oh my god, your eyes glow. Your glasses from your eyes glow. Never mind, they're
You're
not glowing anymore.
Jay, shut up.
Yo, can you like open the next door? I can't see nothing.
You can't see the door.
I can't.
Oh. God damn. Can we just maybe like play something else?
Hij is nog vertiefd, maar bedoelt zelfs te kolen in laag bro. Dat was een grote moment. Grote dag. Het is een reisje. Ons is toch juist. Hoe was ons lucht geboeid? Dit maar aan de boeien. Ik was dus. Gaan we met de woord. Woord net.
Where the I'm surprised we're not. Where did you get that from? Stop. Oh, that's trippy. There's nothing behind me. Oh, nah. Nah, go, 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 go. No, no, No! No! Oh my god. Okay. This is actually scary, dude. Wait, just sit down for a sec. I can't move.
You okay?
No, it's scary. Especially that tunnel one. That one was the scariest part.
I'm so scared right now. I'm not.
You're on mobile. It's way different. Dude, if only I had a heartbeat monitor, dude. If you could see my heartbeat, dude, it'd be like a 100 or 110. Which is usually when you're scared or something. Oh, god damn, that's actually scary.
That is so big.
Why is there so many spiders? Oh my god, even though it went after you, it still scared me. Ladies first?
I know what you're doing. You just want to say,
wait, hold up, hold up.
On.
Okay. I let all my anger out.
Okay, come get my shit.
Oh.
Alright, your turn. Go ahead, go first.
No! You're the one on Nah.
Yeah, I'm on phone.
Yeah.
And the characters look goofy AF, bro, honestly.
Do you have your resolution at max?
Oh my god, a ball. It's not like I've seen that 1,000 times. The bathroom's open. I gotta take a whiz.
There's a little kid! There's a little kid! Ah!
Uncle Cookie.
Not complaining. I was dying of boredom anyway.
What's with all the illusions? It hurts my head.
I will be coming back, and I'm bringing my new toys.
Oh my god, that actually hurts my eyes.
Ooh,
Are we
this is
done?
a nice house.
Is it finally over? Oh my god,
Nope.
thank god. Hey, yo, dab me up, bro. Dab me up. Shut the hell up. I hate when they say Oh, god damn. I didn't even see her.
Hey, well, when do we have school?
Wednesday?
Okay.